Do you want to navigate through Windows 11 a lot smoother and faster? Well, I got 9 best keyboard shortcuts. So let's get started. Okay, so coming in at number 9 is opening the Action Center. To do this is Windows key plus A. So here you have the Action Center. So that is how to open the Action Center. Okay, coming in at number 8 is opening the widget panel. To do this is Windows key and W. Here you can sign into your widgets and install whatever widgets you want. So if you want to know how to use the widgets, I'll have a card in the upper right hand corner. Okay, coming in at number 7 is one of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. It's showing the desktop. It's Windows key D. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to have you can have multiple things open, like Edge. You can have a Word document open, and if you hit Windows D, it'll show your desktop and it'll minimize all your apps to your taskbar. Okay, coming at number 6 is creating virtual desktops. To do this is Windows Control D. Okay, so coming in at number 5 is opening task view. And to do that is Windows Tab. And it'll actually bring up the virtual desktops that you actually created from the last shortcut key. So coming at number 4 is to lock your windows. All you got to do is do a window key and L. Okay, for the next 2 keyboard shortcut gamers, this is for you. Number 3, we're going to open the game bar. It's going to be Windows key and G. All right, here you can actually have your Xbox menu. Coming at number 2 is taking a screenshot of your game through the game bar. So you don't have to have the game bar open to do this. So it's Windows key, Alt, and print screen. All right, so here you can see that it screenshot saved. So I saved the best for last. So for this keyboard shortcut, you need to have it to open this application, because you can't right click and open it. You can't. So for coming at number 1 is opening Task Manager. So it's Control Shift Escape. Control Shift Escape. That opens Task Manager. All right, so that's the 9 best keyboard shortcuts I have for you for Windows 11. So if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And for more tips, tricks, and guides to Windows or any technology, subscribe and turn the bell notification on. And I'll see you guys next time. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.